What if I told you just 10 minutes of jump rope could burn as many calories as running a 30-minute mile-pace run? Sounds crazy, right? Running has always been the king of cardio. But jump rope might be the underdog that packs a bigger punch. Today, let's put them head-to-head. Jump rope versus running. Which one burns more calories? Which one's better for your body? And which one should you choose? The calorie face-off, running at an 8-minute mile pace burns about 13 to 14 calories per minute. Over 30 minutes, that's around 400 calories. Jumping rope at a moderate to fast pace, you're looking at 10 to 16 calories per minute. That means in just 10 minutes, you could burn 150 calories. Do that for 30 minutes and it's over 450 calories. Minute for minute, jump rope is more efficient. Why jump rope burns so fast? Jump rope is a full-body workout. Your legs explode off the ground, your core stabilizes, your arms and shoulders spin the rope non-stop. That recruits more muscles, spikes your heart rate, and pushes your body into high-intensity territory fast. Running is powerful, but mainly lower body dominant. Once you find a steady pace, your heart rate stabilizes. With jump rope, it feels like sprinting from the first minute. Practical differences: running is more sustainable. You can pace yourself for miles. Jump rope is brutally efficient, but harder to maintain beyond 10 to 15 minutes. Running is universal, just lace up and go. Jump rope is portable but has a learning curve and your calves will feel it. On joints, running can be rough on knees with repetitive impact. Jump rope, done correctly, is lower impact and actually strengthens ankles, though poor form can cause strain. The verdict? So who wins? For pure calorie burn per minute, jump rope. For endurance and accessibility, running. For time efficiency, jump rope. For mental clarity, running. The truth: they're not rivals. They're teammates. Use jump rope when you're short on time and want intensity. Use running for stamina and stress relief. Together, they're the ultimate combo. So the next time you're debating between your sneakers or that rope in your closet, remember, 10 minutes of jump rope can rival a half-hour run. The smartest move? Use both. One makes you faster, the other makes you stronger. Together, they'll make you unstoppable. If you found this breakdown helpful, hit like, subscribe. Can't tell me in the comments? Are you team running, team jump rope, or team both? Thanks for watching.